What's up, Daily Gamers? Working this on gaming here. Okay, we're doing a gaming video. Now, sorry for the lack of gaming videos. I just been taking a break from playing games. I don't know why. I just didn't feel like playing games back then. Well, not back then. I'm talking about like there. Heavy crystal. But we gotta get the crystal armor now. So we gotta do update. I'm gonna go through the update too. After this. I know it's a Tuesday, but I'm just making this video. I'm uploading this video tomorrow. What's it, Tuesday? I gotta make a Jump Chairs video. I forget what I play. But we got the chainsaw sword. I forget what I play. I need to Texas gun out a knife fight. This will be better. Is that a real gem? Yes, it is. I believe I killed the guy. Yeah, I just never felt like playing video games. All I did was watch YouTube on my tablet. There's a wave iPhone emoji. Ah, dang it, I missed. I like this chainsaw sword. It's good. This is the weapon I'm eventually gonna get. I'm not gonna be able to get no kills with this gun, so I'm gonna leave this match. And yes, it is raining, and I have football practices. That's one of the reasons why I don't make videos often too. Because I'm playing for the Lakers. If I do good enough, there's a possibility I might have a highlight tape on the Films channel. I need to go in knife party. The knife party. And it's actually recommended, so that's even better. Yeah, they increase the prices on these guns like crazy. Can't even believe it. Alright, hurry up. Okay. I haven't made too many videos this summer too. I'm gonna go back to that. But we start school in 2 weeks. Who decided about that? Not me. Stuff is really good. This thing is real good. I like it. I like this melee weapon. I like it a lot. Better than the fire sword. How do you hit me with that? Oh, he had the same thing too. I've gotten. Wait, how do you check how many kills you get? They got rid of that. I don't like that. Dead. I'm not used to these controls. I haven't played Pixel Gun in a long time. And I've been getting new devices. And so I got this tablet on May 7th. And I downloaded Pixel Gun as my first ever app on my tablet. Back then I just had a phone. I just had a phone since forever is what it feels like. I never actually had a tablet. I was watching some videos on tablets. I was like, dude, I really like this tablet. And Mom said, if you do good, then you can get I'll get you an iPad. I'm like, nah, I don't feel like I want an iPad no more. So then I got this. If you guys don't know, I'm not at camp either. That's why I'm making this video. Really why I'm making this video. Because I'm home and I got nothing to do. So that's why I'm making this video. So that full out, full food. I don't play Minecraft either on my tablet. I'm trying to download that, but it looks like I can't. It's either I'm gonna have to buy it or not have it. And I'm trying to get to Minecraft too. That was my Monday game. Oh, I think I remember now. Minecraft, Geometry Dash, Pixel Gun, Angry Birds 2, and Angry Birds Go. I deleted Angry Birds 2 guys too, cause it got boring. It got boring for me. Yeah, it got boring for me. So, AB Evolution is the game I'm gonna be playing on Thursday. That's my Thursday game now. If we get Minecraft, that's gonna be my Monday game. And those kids have left too. So, if those kids were here and they weren't like, you know, rough they were, then I'll be extra. Let's use this weapon now. I haven't used that weapon in a while. I'm trying to use this weapon too. Back to playing games, baby. Yep, no more iPad. I'm thinking of getting an iPhone. Oh, hold up. And guys, if you guys don't know, I still don't have a backup weapon yet. I know all those times I should have got a backup weapon, but it just didn't feel like playing video games. All I did was want to watch YouTube 24/7. Good thing not to jump on that stuff. You hurt my Sherlock Holmes. Who's in the lead anyway? You didn't know that. I'm in red territory, actually. Ah, my demon broke. That's a shame. That's a bummer. I get yellow the first time I use it. Not the first time I use it, but in a while time. How did I not kill him? The shuriken. How did I not kill him? You have three devices. Two tablets. Memory. We win. Dang it. Oh, 86 gems? It's not bad. I can get up to that. If I can level up any faster.